Sail away with us, cruisers, to a fantastic Cruise Hive news updates. Welcome back once again, and thank you all for joining as we proceed for the final time this week with a further 4 news stories as new details on Royal Caribbean's beach club in the Bahamas. We have Royal Caribbean informs guests about a port closure, as well as yacht collides with large Oasis-class cruise ship, and Norwegian Cruise Line shifts departure date. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Royal Caribbean announced that its Royal Beach Club Paradise Island, located near Nassau in the Bahamas, will open in December 2025. Guests can start purchasing day passes and reserving cabanas in the spring of 25, though prices are not yet disclosed. The 17-acre destination will feature 3 zones: Chill Beach, Party Cove and Family Beach, offering attractions like pools, the Floating Flamingo, the world's largest swim-up bar, and a luxury 2-storey ultimate family cabana. Developed with the Bahamian government and SEV Consulting Group, the eco-friendly site will meet strict environmental standards, emphasising sustainability and local culture. Construction began in April of this year. Norwegian Cruise Line has rescheduled the departure of the Norwegian Joy from Port Canaveral, originally planned for Saturday, December the 6th, 2025, to 24 hours earlier on Friday, December the 5th. The change stems from limited Saturday availability at the port, which accommodates numerous vessels that day. The adjusted 7-night itinerary includes stops in the Dominican Republic, US and British Virgin Islands and Great Stirrup Cay in the Bahamas, with minor time changes for Tortola and Great Stirrup Cay. Passengers are advised to verify excursion arrangements. Port Canaveral's bustling schedule includes 6 other major cruise ships on December the 6th, making December the 5th a less congested departure date. Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas will adjust its January the 2nd, 2025 10-night cruise departing from Singapore. The Nha Trang Vietnam port call, scheduled for January the 8th, is cancelled due to the port's closure for maintenance. Instead, guests will enjoy an additional sea day. To compensate, the ship extends its January the 7th stay in Ho Chi Minh City to 11 p.m. and will now arrive earlier at Da Nang, Hue City on January the 9th at 7 a.m. The January 4th to the 5th overnight in Bangkok, Thailand remains unchanged. The Nha Trang closure, caused by severe degradation, may impact other itineraries in 2025. On Wednesday, December the 11th, a yacht collided with the Royal Caribbean's Allure of the Seas while the ship was docked at Nassau Cruise Port in the Bahamas. Witnesses reported the yacht lost power and drifted into the port side of the 225,000 gross ton vessel's stern. Despite the incident, the cruise ship sustained no significant damage and passengers were largely unaware. The yacht, however, suffered damage to its top portion. The collision delayed the ship's departure by under an hour, but did not impact its 4-night Bahamas sailing from Miami. Royal Caribbean has yet not issued an official statement. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.